Hello, Mark here. And then, part 4 of this group of dogs. We're going to have to try and think of a better name than pack of dogs, I think. I'm not sure I like that. A gurgle of dogs. No, perhaps not. Okay, anyway. How are you? Oh, that's good. Oh, you're not so... I'm sorry you're not so well. Oh, well, sorry about that, but I hope you feel better soon. Yes, I do. Yes, well, anyway, it's a nice day here again. Sun's coming up. And they tell me it's going to be up in about 27 this afternoon. So that's going to be quite warm. So that's good. And they've eased the lockdown a bit more, or they will do. So everybody can get about a bit more. Which would be nice. I should be a little bit cautious, I think. But I think everybody's desperate to get back to normal. But the only thing I'll say about that is it's normal that brought us to where we are now. So let's be a bit cautious, shall we? Anyway, what I'm doing here is I put some puppies, young dogs in, which might be a bit fun, to add to the cute factor, I think. Because this, after all, is going to be a greeting card to go alongside the one I did of the cats, which has proved very popular. And I suspect the dogs might prove slightly more popular, I don't know. I'm hoping so. It was quite good fun to do. But I've got to start 2 commissions today, so I'm going to try and finish this if I can. These things take as much time as they take. But I've been a picture like this, I mean, I can see things as I go along that I will change and alter. That's a thing that I tend to do a lot. That's why I'm quite pleased sometimes when a painting actually does go to its new home, and that can't happen anymore because they can drive me slightly nuts otherwise, because I'm continuously tweeting, and you really do have to know when to stop sometimes, because you can, like they say, overcook something quite easily. But I should be doing some more pictures like this, I think. And I got some more dragons in mind to do. And of course, I hate to mention the fact that I shall probably shortly start doing some Christmas designs. Because I know, you know it's too early, but no, from my point of view as an artist or a craft maker, it isn't too soon by any stretch of the imagination. Because you have to manufacture these things. The people that make Christmas decorations and things would be working all year round. So if you happen to work in a factory that makes Christmas decorations, well, there you are. So it's all very well you people out there said, oh no, you don't want to put your Christmas decorations up until 2 days after Christmas. I think you're wrong anyway, because I think you should enjoy Christmas, embrace it, and enjoy it. Because the media and retail companies have taken it over, and they've taken over too much. Dictate to us when we should do this and when we should do that. And they've man-made all these different events like Father's Day and Mother's Day and what have you. I think they should make Artists' Day, and everybody in the world should celebrate artists and send them, well, what should we say, I don't know, a nice big chunk of change, put it that way. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, you don't agree on that one? Oh, well, there we are then. That's the way that goes then, is it? That's the way the wind's blowing. Yes, so there you are. No, I quite like dogs. I've never actually owned a dog. I don't know, I suppose you own a dog. I've had several cats, as I said, and I've never really considered that I actually owned any of them. Because cats tend to sort of pretty much do what they want to do when they want to do it. And you bring a cat into your house, and that house is no longer yours. That and everything in it. You can forget about your possessions, that they all belong to the cat. And he will, or she, will constantly remind you of that fact. I must admit, I had a cat called Gracie up until a few years ago, bless her. She's sadly no longer with us, and I can remember when she was a kitten, or a relatively young cat, should I say. She came running into the bedroom and hopped up onto the dressing table and slid the length of the dressing table and slipped off the end straight onto the floor. And she jumped up on the bed with an expression on her face that, well, she was not pleased. Well, I think the fact I was laughing probably didn't help the situation as far as she was concerned. But it was kind of amusing. And they do appear sometimes, cats, to get quite grumpy about things like that and almost embarrassed, which is mind you, have to be, you don't upset cats too much, because but I don't know what it's like with dogs. I mean, dogs tend to sort of be more loyal. I don't know. Like I said, I've never had one, so I don't know. But, I'm not kind of sure which dog I'd ever. If I had a dog, what dog I would actually have. I did have a friend once who had a terrier of, I don't know, like a wire haired sort of terrier. I'm not quite sure. Is it kind of a Jack Russell type? Not very big. And called Digby. He was fun. But he used to jump up on the pool table in the pub and knock all the pool balls everywhere. Which again didn't go down terribly well, especially with the pool players. But Made me laugh. Yes, indeedy. Yes, I've got to start some commissions today, do some proper work. And I don't know after that what I'm going to do. Because I tend to do these pictures in between my main work. And I've just, like I said, I did a cat picture. And now I've done the dogs. And I don't know what I should do next. Something will come to me, I dare say. It's that old chestnut starting off with a blank piece of paper. And something will inspire me, it usually does. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little sort of, because this is part 4 of this little series of film clips on these dogs. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, that would be nice. And you know, a comment would be nice. Nothing negative, please. I have to be honest with you, anything that's wrong with this picture, I can actually see myself and I will rectify it if and when. But there we are. Well, you take care, and I'll see you or speak to you next time we do one of these little film clips. It's that's about it, I'm afraid. We're going to run out of time as per usual. Bye for now.